Editing videos doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, you can get started today with a professional-looking editor that's completely free. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to download and install Shotcut Video Editor on your Windows PC, so you can begin editing your videos right away. So, let's see how we can download Shotcut to our computer. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type Shotcut Download and press Enter. Now, click on the first search result. It should be the official website, which is shotcut.org. Once you're on the download page, you'll see options depending on your operating system. For Windows users, there are 3 choices, one for Windows 10 and 11 for Intel or AMD CPU, second option for Windows 10 and 11 for ARM CPU, and third option for Windows 7 and 8. For me, I'll click the first option and choose Windows Installer. Choose where you want to save the installer file. The download will begin. Just wait until it's done. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. To install, simply double-click the installer file. I'll go with the recommended installation mode. When the Shotcut Setup wizard appears, read through the agreement, then click Next. You'll see the installation path here. I'll keep it as default and click Next. Select any additional tasks you'd like during setup, then click Next again. Now, click Install. The installation process has started. Just be patient for a few moments. Once it's done, the Shotcut Video Editor installation is complete and a shortcut has been added to your desktop. To launch the app, leave the checkbox selected and click Finish. And there it is, Shotcut Video Editor is now running and you can start editing your videos. To import a video file, go to File and click on Open File. Browse to where your media files are located. When the file is imported, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. And now, you can edit your video the way you want. Now you know how to download and install Shotcut Video Editor on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.